Hello guys, here I am illustrating you what is remainder theorem. So to understand the remainder theorem, when a polynomial say fx is divided by a polynomial of gx, suppose, then the degree of remainder is either 0 or less than the divisor. What it says? When a polynomial fx say is divided by a polynomial gx, say suppose gx, then the degree of remainder is either 0 or less than that of divisor. It states that about the degree of remainder. What about the degree of remainder? And what it states? It states that the degree of remainder will be either 0 or less than the degree of fx. It should be clear. Again, in algebra the polynomial remainder theorem, it is also known as Littell-Bezout's theorem. You may ask why it is called Bezout's theorem? Because it was given by the mathematician Étienne Bezout. So after his name, it is called Littell-Bezout's theorem. In an application, it is also used in Euclidean division of polynomials. It is also used in Euclidean division of polynomials. And what is remainder theorem actually? Remainder theorem states that the remainder of the division of a polynomial fx by a linear polynomial x minus r is equal to fr. This is the main theorem of remainder theorem, the main statement of the remainder theorem. What remainder theorem says? Remainder theorem says that the remainder of a division of a polynomial of fx by a linear polynomial, suppose it is x minus r, is equal to fr. And this is the remainder theorem. Hello guys, I would like to make you clear with the example. The remainder theorem. If a polynomial px is divided by x plus a is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is, what is remainder? The remainder is the value of px at x is equal to minus a. You keep it in mind. If a polynomial, suppose px is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is the value of px at x is equal to minus a, that is p a. In another condition, if a polynomial px is divided by ax minus b, if a polynomial px is divided by ax minus b, then the remainder is the value of px at x is equal to b by a, and that is minus b by a. Here it will be minus a. Here it will be minus a. So the px at x is equal to minus x is equal to b by a, and that is p b by a will be the remainder. I think you would have understand very clearly the toughest remainder theorem. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel Numeric Galaxy so that I could help you in the regular manner in your study. Thank you very much, guys.